This video is going to show you a quick tour of all of the features of TCI. If you'd like more information, there is additional help videos available in your Canvas course. So when you log in to TCI, which I've already done, it will take you to the tab that says My Programs. You won't have an admin dashboard because those are just for people who administer all of the different programs. And you can see I have all of them available here. We're going to click into a third grade unit. You will have your grade level, you'll have a science unit, and then a social studies unit. So I'm going to click in, and it will take us to a home page here that outlines all of the different units that are available for that grade. So again, in one of the other videos I mentioned this, make sure that you're looking at the scope and sequence that's available in your Canvas course rather than the Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3 outlines in TCI, simply because we rearranged units to make sure that they aligned the best possible way with remote learning. So once you get to this homepage, there's a couple of things that I'd like to point out to you. Number one, there's this bar up here at the top that articulates some distance learning supports and then distance learning lessons. So if you click on this, it outlines some different examples of things that TCI has already built in to support distance learning. In your Canvas course, each lesson also has our suggestions as Team Science, what could potentially need to be modified in order to run this in a remote learning environment, but TCI also has additional suggestions for that. They also have distance learning lessons. So this articulates the lessons that are potentially the easiest to teach in a distance learning environment, and then also how to adapt some of the ones that are maybe less easy to teach in a remote learning environment. I'm going to click on this Unit 2 right here because that's actually our first unit for third grade. And it will take you to kind of a unit overview page. This page articulates in this drop-down menu here all of the different units that are available. If you scroll, it shows you the unit highlights. So what are the things that you absolutely need to know? What is the progression? What is the anchoring phenomenon? And if you'd like to know more about anchoring phenomenon, they are available also in your Canvas course. And then also the unit progression. It also outlines all of the different lessons that are available for this unit. The thing that is really important about these lessons is that they are not single day lessons. So for example, this one has 5 lessons. It is not only 5 days long. Each one of these lessons is, you can think of it kind of like an investigation that's going to take multiple days and sometimes multiple weeks in order to get through. This purple bar on the side right here gives you some additional options. We're in the overview section right now. The other thing I want to point out to you is the idea of references. So if you click on that, it also takes you to the sections of the different texts that you could potentially be using for each one of these units. If you'd like more information on how to attach one of those into your Canvas course, there is a separate TCI help video for that available. The other piece is that there's a glossary here that outlines actually all of the terms that are available in TCI that they're suggesting students know. This is a lot of words. We've pared that down and again is available by lesson in your Canvas course. So that is just a quick overview of all of the different options that you have in TCI.